Hello and welcome all on Unacademy JEE English, guys. And today I'm going to take lecture number 6, and this lecture is based on titrations and law of chemical equivalence. Guys, that's very important. So before we start today's session, guys, let me tell you what we have done in the previous class, guys. In the previous class, we have already covered a minute. In the previous class, guys, we have already covered what do you mean by titrations. Means what are titration, what are types of titration, and why do we need them. So we have covered each and everything. And in the fourth lecture, last lecture was fifth, and in the fourth lecture, guys, we have covered in the fourth lecture we have covered what is law of chemical equivalence, why it is important, and how do we calculate n factor. Hi Emmy, good afternoon everyone. So guys, today I will be doing I will be helping you to do practice over these concepts, and along with the practice we will also take a short question quiz over it. Okay guys, we will also take a short quiz over it. So guys, if you are feeling any issues, then feel free to ask during this. And now guys, let me tell you first thing, like, you want to know about JEE English, as you already know, but again I will be telling you guys, like JEE English, this is a channel launched by Unacademy. And guys, on this channel, each and every topic of IIT JEE will be taught you in pure English. So it would help those students who are having some issues with the Hindi or who don't understand Hindi properly. Okay guys, now before I start today's class, let me tell you something about myself, guys. Yes, I'm Rahul Kaushik, and I worked in Bansa Classes Kota since 2010 to 2020. So guys, continue 10 years I worked there, and after working there, guys, I co-founded my own organization, Zigyan Education Private Limited. And during my tenure in Bansa Classes Kota, I was head of department there since 2015 to 20. And guys, I mentored 2000 plus IITs. And among these 2000 IITs, there were many top rankers, guys. There were many top rankers. So now I will tell you guys how you can subscribe to Unacademy. So there are some simple steps. Step number one, just go to Play Store or App Store and download Unacademy's learning app. Once you have downloaded it, install it. And after installing, you will be directed to this page, guys. On this page, you have to click plus. Once you are clicking on the plus, you will be getting these goals. And in the goal section, guys, choose IIT JEE because we are preparing for that. Hi Priya. And guys, after this, just hit the subscription button. After this, just hit the subscription button, guys. Once you are hitting the subscription button, guys, yes, you will be getting these two options for 12-month program, for 24-month program. And guys, don't remember this. Yes, this is my code, Rahul Kem. If you are applying this code, guys, you have to pay 50,000 rupees for 2 years. Otherwise, fees for 2 year program is 56,000. So guys, this code will help you. Hello Ravish. This code will help you a lot. And this is the course fee for 2 year, and this is the course fee for 1 year. And this is the course fee, guys, when you are applying my code Rahul Kem. Note it down. This is the course fee, guys, when you are applying my code Rahul Kem. Okay, guys. So now let me tell you something about the prices. For 1 year, prices are 38,500. For 2 year, 56,000. But guys, if you are applying my code, that is Rahul Kem, yes, then you have to pay 34,000, and here you have to pay 50,000. Okay, guys. Yes, I hope now everything is clear. Please ask any doubt if you have. No doubts. So guys, now let's move ahead. Guys. So what we are going to do now? The redox and equivalent concept. So titrations we have already covered, guys. Meaning of titration, types of titration, law of chemical equivalence we have already covered. So today I will help you in application part of redox. because today I will teach you how to apply law of chemical equivalence and how law of chemical equivalence is used in titrations. Okay, so guys, let's start with the first problem. Yes, do it. Yes, the first problem on your screen. Yes, tell me the answer. I think we have already done these problems, but again I'm giving you because today I will start with the basics only. Yes, guys. Hello, Monica. Do it. Yes, guys, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay. Yes, Amy. Be fast, be fast. What is oxalate ions? What are oxalate ions, guys? Tell me. So, guys, oxalate ions are C2O42 minus, and number of moles of oxalate ion oxidized by 1 mole of KMnO4. Now, this is KMnO4 minus. And here you can see the oxidation state of carbon is +3. But in this case, oxidation state of carbon is +7. Now what will happen, guys? Now what will happen now? Please tell me. So guys, carbon will go to option A. Let's see. Carbon will go to CO2 gas and manganese will go to +2. Why? Because acidic medium is given. Actually, the problem is how will you identify the manganese oxidation state? Carbon, you know, +3 to maximum it can go up to +4 because that is the maximum oxidation state. But how will you calculate it for the manganese? So guys, for manganese, always look at the medium because I told you in acidic medium it goes to +2. In basic medium it goes to +4, and in strongly basic it goes to +6. Right? So this is the MnO4 minus position. So guys, n factor here will be 5, n factor here will be 3, and n factor here will be 1. This is basic or neutral. Note it down, guys. Note it down. So now when you are doing it, guys, again n factor of it is 5. Now if you are calculating the n factor of C2O42 minus, what it will be? 2CO2 because you have to balance it. Now on one carbon we have +3 +4. So on two carbon it is going, carbon is going from +6 to +8. So there is loss of 2 electron. Now divided by 2. So n factor for this is 2. Now you know the n factor. Now you know the n factor. Now how will you get it? So guys, now you will write equivalent of MnO4 minus is equal to equivalent of C2O42 minus. Okay, this is what law of equivalence. I can also write it as equivalent of CO2 and equivalent of Mn2 plus, because according to law of chemical equivalence, equivalent of each reactant will be equal to equivalent of each product, right? So n factor is 5, so 5 into mole of KMnO4. N factor of this is 2, 2 into mole of C2O42 minus. N factor of CO2 is 1, 1 into mole of CO2. And n factor of Mn2 plus is again 5, 5 into mole of Mn2 plus. Okay guys, so now you can find it, guys. Now you can find it. And how will you find it, guys? Now you are given number of mole of oxalate ion oxidized by 1 mole of KMnO4. So you are given 1 mole of it. So 2 into mole of oxalate ion. So guys, you will be getting mole of oxalate ion as 5 by 2. A will be your answer. Yes, Amy, you were right. Similarly, guys, now you know the value of this, IV equivalent of this. From here, if you want to calculate mole of CO2, you can also do that. You can also do that. Like just equate it. 5 into 1 is equal to mole of CO2. Just equate it. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 into mole of Mn2 plus. 5 will cancel out. So mole of Mn2 plus will be 1. So now guys, using the law of chemical equivalence, you can find out mole of any product. Hi Nitish. Hi Nitish. Is that done now? Okay. So now let's move. Now let's move to the next problem. Do this one. And don't worry, I will be giving you sufficient time, guys. Don't worry. Yes, Nitish, Amy, everyone, solve it, guys. Be fast. This time you are given ferrous oxalate. Be fast. Yes, Nitish, Amy, Ravish, Priya, anyone. Anyone. So that's a very good problem. And I personally think this problem can be asked either in JEE Mains or Advanced. Any year. Now ferrous oxalate KMnO4. No medium is given. M is saying D. So let's see. Now what is the formula for it? KMnO4. What is ferrous oxalate? This. And it is going to give you Mn2 plus and CO2 and Fe3 plus. So guys, if nothing is given about KMnO4 acidic basic or no medium is given, then you can take its n factor as 5, not an issue. But here you have to calculate n factor of FeC2O4. How will you do this? How will you do this, guys? Because that is the important point. So to do this, guys, yes, I have already told you when I taught you the calculation of n factor. In this case, what is going on actually? It will oxidize Fe because plus 2 to plus 3 and carbon. And here oxidation state is plus 3 and here it is plus 4. So it will oxidize iron as well as carbon. So both will get oxidized. Both will get oxidized. Now what will happen, guys? What will happen now? Just balance those atoms. 2 carbon, carbon is balanced, 1 iron, iron is balanced. Now how many number of electrons are changing? For iron it is going from plus 2 to plus 3. So there is net loss of 1 electron. In carbon it is going for plus 6 to plus 8. So there is net loss of 2 electron. So guys, here you will be getting net loss of 3 electron. Okay, if these are 3 electrons, guys, yes, so n factor will be 3. N factor will be 3, right? N factor will be 3. Any doubt? So n factor for this is 3, for this is 3, for this is 3 by 2. Just note it down. 3, 3 by 2 and 3. Now number of ferrous oxalate. Now guys, again apply law of chemical equivalence. Now again apply law of chemical equivalence. And how will you apply this? Equivalent of KMnO4, equivalent of FeC2O4, equivalent of Mn2 plus, equivalent of CO2, equivalent of Fe3 plus. Yes, you will be getting it. So here we have n factor 5, right? And mole of KMnO4. Here I will have n factor 3 because most of you will calculate this n factor 3 to be wrong. Actually, in case of ferrous oxalate, n factor will be 3 only. And you will write 3 into mole of, now 5 into mole of Mn2 plus, 3 by 2 into mole of CO2, 3 into mole of Fe3 plus. Yes guys, I hope now you got it. So now it says number of moles of ferrous oxalate. So for this, oxidized by 1 mole of KMnO4. So 1 mole of KMnO4 is given. So just equate these two quantities and you will be getting mole of ferrous oxalate is equal to 5 by 3. Yes, Amy, you were right. Exactly, the answer was D. Yes, Amy, the answer was D. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? No doubt. So, guys, now let's move ahead. Guys. These are moles of FeC2O4. Similarly, if somebody asks you to calculate moles of CO2, how will you do this? In that case, you will equate this and this. 5 into 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into mole of CO2. So, mole of CO2 will be 10 by 3. Now this is done. Mole of CO2 will be 10 by 3. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Tell me. No doubt. So now I hope you guys are learning how to apply law of chemical equivalence. How to apply that. So guys, just do the next problem. Again, it is very easy, very simple problem. Do it fast. Normality of 0.3 molar phosphorus acid is, yes guys, do it. Be fast. Be fast, guys. Be fast. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Amy says option D. So guys, let's see. Yes. Is there anyone else who has done it? Anyone? Yes, guys. So now normality, it will be equal to molarity into n factor. So molarity is 0.3. What is n factor for H3PO3, guys? Just calculate its n factor. Good afternoon, the shorts guy. Good afternoon. So guys, just because there are 3 hydrogen does not mean it will be having n factor of 3. You should know about the structure of this. So guys, just tell me how many acidic hydrogen are there? How many acidic hydrogens are there? Yes guys. So here 1 and 2, only 2 acidic hydrogens are there. So molarity is 0.3 and n factor is 2, it will be 0.6. Done. Any doubt? Any doubt guys? No doubt? Please tell me now. No doubts? Okay, so let's move ahead now. let's move ahead, guys. I think you have done it. So answer will be D and Amy was right. The shorts guy, what are you doing? Are you solving the problems? So guys, I'm moving to the next problem now. Do this one. It is not necessary that this is the answer for this problem. So don't look at the answer. It will not help you in any way. Do it, guys. Be fast this time. I want answer from everyone. I want answers from anyone. Yes. Oxalic acid dihydrate. So what is oxalic acid dihydrate? H2C2O4 dot 2H2O. Yes, this is oxalic acid dihydrate, guys. Is made up of 250 ml. The volume of zero point 0.1 normal NaOH required to completely neutralize 10 ml of this solution is. Yes, tell me, guys. Take your time, take your time. Yes, guys, tell me now. Amy says option A. Let's see what others are saying, guys. Let's see now. Be fast, guys, this time. Aqueous solution of oxalic acid is there and it is being neutralized. So NaOH you are taking. So when you will balance it, so what will it do? NaOH will replace all its two hydrogens. Suppose the reaction is like it. Actually, this water will dissolve in the water itself. It will not be visible, but let's see. So now, guys, how do we calculate N factor in this case? Can any of you tell me? How do we calculate N factor in this case? Yes, guys. So in this case, we can calculate N factor because this is acid-base reaction. This is not redox reaction. In this reaction, there is no change in the oxidation state. So basically it is acid-base reaction. And if it is acid-base reaction, guys, so the calculation of N factor will be the rule for acid and base. So if NaOH is base, so N factor for this is 1 because there is one OH. Here two H are being replaced. N factor for this will be 2. Write down, right, guys? Hi Alish. Hi Alish. So now I will write equivalent or milli equivalent. Milli equivalent of H2C2O4 will be equal to milli equivalent of NaOH. Whether I write milli equivalent or I write equivalent, thing is same. So guys, now it says that volume of zero point 0.1 normal NaOH. So normality into volume, this is the milli equivalent, and here I will say again N factor into millimole. So millimole I can calculate N factor into molarity into volume, N1 into V1. So I have to calculate molarity of this. No, at least we will decide that at the end of this topic, right? Don't worry. So now calculate molarity of H2C2O4. Now 6.3 gram of oxalic acid is given, right? So molarity will be moles of oxalic acid upon volume into 1000. So volume given is 250 ml into 1000. And how many mole are there? 6.3 divided by what is molar mass of this oxalic acid? It is 126 gram. So how many mole will be there, guys? 0.05. So just 4 into 0.05 and you will be getting 0.2. So molarity will be 0.2. Volume is again 250 and N factor is 2. Normality of this is 0.1, so you can calculate the volume. What will be the volume, guys, here? What will be the volume? Yes, do it, guys. Be fast. Okay, sorry, here volume given is 10 ml. Volume given is 10 ml. I have taken the wrong data. Yes. Now if you calculate, volume will be 4 upon 0.1, 40 ml. So guys, I told you that don't go on this answer. It might be wrong. Hi Manjul. Hi Manjul. So guys, are you learning it? Are you solving these problems? Please tell me how many of you are solving, because I'm getting answer only from Emmy. Please tell me, guys, how many of you are solving it? Because I'm getting answer only from Emmy. Yes, Manjul, you're always there, but you never give me answers. You're always there, but you never give me answer. Okay. So guys, in the next question, I want answer from every one of you, everyone. Okay? Yes. Now solve this one. Be fast. Again, don't look at this answer, it might be wrong. Don't look at it. These answers might be wrong. These are written just like that. Yes. Do it, guys. Be fast. I'm not getting any answers. Be fast, guys. Yes. I'm not getting any answers. Manjul says 5m by 3. Let's see what others are saying, guys. Amy says 3m by 5. Okay. Yes, anyone else? Anyone else? No. So guys, now I will tell you what is going on. This is BrO3 minus react with Br minus to form bromine. So guys, BrO3 minus and Br minus, and it gives you Br2. So here what is going on? What is going on, guys? This is 0, this is -1, this is +5. So it is being reduced and it is being oxidized. Bromine is being reduced and bromine is being oxidized. So atoms of same element are being oxidized as well as reduced. So it is example of disproportionation's reverse, that is gone proportionation. So n factor way is same as I told you. How will you calculate the n factor here? Yes, you can calculate it like Br2, 2 electron loss. Br3 minus, Br2, here you have plus 5, here you have 0. So on 2 bromine, on 1 bromine we have plus 5. So on 2 bromine it will be plus 10. So guys, if it is plus 10, just multiplying by 5. And when you are multiplying it by 5, you will be getting 10 Br minus and 2 Bro3 minus 6 Br3 Br2. So guys, how many electrons are cancelling out here? 10. So you can easily calculate the n factor: 10, 10, 10, 10 by 6, 10 by 2, 10 by 10, 1, 5 and 5 by 3. So this is the n factor of Br2. And what is the formula for equivalent weight, guys? What is the formula for equivalent weight? Equivalent weight is equal to molar mass over n factor. So if molar mass is m, then n factor will be 5 by 3. So it will be 3m by 5. So answer will be C. Yes, Amy, again you are right. Yes, Amy, again you are right. Very good, Amy. Excellent. So now let's do this. This is subjective problem. Okay, Manjul, hard luck this time, don't worry. Now just do it. Now just do it. Be fast, guys. Be fast, I'm waiting for it. Be fast. Calculate number of moles of KMnO4, which will react with 180 gram of H2C2O4. So calculate the mole of H2C2O4 according to the reaction given. And guys, again, now you should know what will be the product. Actually, these are given, but if product are not given, even in that case, you should be able to write the product. Only then you will be able to solve this. Okay, guys. Now do this one. Yes, tell me. Be fast, guys. So, how will I write this reaction? How will I write? So, I will write it as KMnO4 giving you Mn2 plus. So, n factor for it will be 5 for this as well as this. And again, if I do H2C2O4 giving you 2CO2. So guys, this is plus 3, this is plus 4. So carbon is balanced, so 2 electrons are lost. So multiply it by 2 and multiply it by 5. So 10 electron will cancel out here. And once 10 electron will cancel out, now how will you write? 2 KMnO4 plus 5 H2C2O4. It will give you 10 CO2 and 2 Mn2 plus. Yes guys, tell me. It will give you like this only. So how many electrons are there which are cancelling out? 10 electrons. 5, 2, 1 and 5. Okay guys. Now calculate the volume of CO2 produced and Calculate number of mole of K-. That will react with 180. So what is the molar mass of it? 90. So in 180 gram you will be having 2 moles of it. So now you can apply law of chemical equivalence. Yes. So n factor is 2. So 2 into 2. N factor is 5. 5 into mole of K-4. And here I can write 1 into mole of CO2. So from here guys, mole of K-4, I will be getting 4 by 5. Mole of K-4, I will be getting 4 by 5. Right? So also calculate the volume of CO2. So just calculate mole of CO2. Mole of CO2 will be 4 and the volume of CO2 would be 4 into 22.7 liter. Because it is STP, at STP volume of 1 mole we take as 22.7, and at NTP volume of 1 mole of CO2 or any gas we take as 22.4. Yes, tell me guys, is that done now? Then so guys, let's do the next problem. Do it fast. Calculate mass of K2Cr2O7 required to produce 254 gram of iodine. Okay, let me reduce your calculation part. Instead of mass, calculate mole. Because if you are calculating the mole, then you just have to multiply that by molar mass. That is not a tough task. Yes guys, please do it. Do it fast. Yes, I'm waiting for your answers. Be fast guys, be fast. So let's start now. Again, you have to calculate the mole factors. So K2Cr2O7 is going into 2Cr3 plus, right? Hi Hardeep. So guys, here we will be having plus 3, here we will be having plus 3. Yes Hardeep, don't worry, I will start quiz after 10 minutes. Yes, I was planning to start it, but before that I was practicing some problems so that you guys can analyze how to solve these, and then there will be quiz after 5 minutes. Don't worry. Let me explain this problem and after this I will be taking a quiz. It's quiz time guys. Get ready for the quiz and let's see who wins the contest today guys. So K2Cr2O7 giving you 2Cr3 plus. So plus 12 to plus 6 gain of this. Now if I will write 2Ki giving you I2 2 multiplied by 3. So guys, what will you get now? You will be getting K2Cr2O7 6Ki 3 iodine this. So guys, how many electrons are cancelling out here? 6. So just write 6. Just write 6 below everything and divided by stoichiometric coefficient. Once you are dividing it, you will be getting n factor. So now, how many mole of this are required to produce 254 gram of iodine? So how many mole of iodine are there? 1 mole. So just do the law of chemical equivalence. Just use it. So equivalent of this will be 6 into mole of K2Cr2O7 and mole of this will be 1 into mole of K. Okay guys, tell me now. And mole of Ki, you know, 2 into mole of iodine. So mole of iodine I know that is 1. Now I can do 6 into mole of K2Cr2O7. So just equate them and you will be getting mole of K2Cr2O7 that will be equal to 1 by 3. Yes, note it down. Moles of K2Cr2O7 will be 1 by 3. If you want to calculate the mass, yes, you can do it multiplied by molar mass. Okay, so here you have to remember the molar mass of chromium as well. Here you have to remember the molar mass of chromium as well. Okay, guys. So, guys, it's time to play quiz, and I'm starting the quiz, guys. Don't worry. Yes, get ready for the quiz. Now, yes, guys, get ready for the quiz. Yes, I'm starting it, guys. Just a minute, guys. You have to wait. You have to wait. Yes, just note it down. I'm doing it, guys. Yes. Ready? Are you ready for the quiz, guys? Please tell me if you guys are ready for it. Okay, guys. So, are you ready for it? Just a minute, guys. I'm creating it. Just a minute. Today there seems to be some issue with it, guys. Just a minute. Let me check it. What is that issue? I'm unable to create quiz. Yes, guys. Actually, quiz is not being created. Just a minute. No. Sorry for it, guys. Actually, I tried to create it, but there seems to be some technical glitch here. Yes. Okay, so let's start. So guys, you can do it. Now solve this one. Solve it, guys, now. Yes, the next problem on your screen. Do it, guys. Be fast. Do it. Yes, Amy, Hardeep. There seems to be some issue, guys. So unfortunately, today I can't take your quiz. So there would be no quiz today, and you just solve the problems this way. Yes, okay, I'm trying to take quiz, but I'm unable to create it. There seems to be some issue with it, right? So guys, you just do it, you just solve it. Yes, maybe there is some issue technically. I don't know what is the issue, but I'm simply unable to create the quiz. Yesterday, you guys participated in that, and yes, you really enjoyed that. No, quiz is not being created today, so no worries, guys. Now we can carry on with it. Just do it now and tell me your answer. Hi, Mondal. Now today we are practicing law of chemical equivalence. Yes, I was trying to create that, but I am unable to create that quiz. So we can carry on. We can carry on the our quiz as we are going. Do it, guys. Be fast. Calculate the volume of 0.05 molar KMnO4, which will react with 50 ml of zero point 0.1 molar H2S in acidic medium. So guys, tell me now. Now I will not give you options in next 4 to 5 questions, because once we give the options, then it becomes easy for you guys to solve that. So I'm not going to do that. Yes, do it now. Sir Mondal, my dost. Okay, okay. So Mondal and you are classmates? Yes, tell me now. Yes, guys, be fast. I'm not getting any answer from anyone. You can do it, guys. Be fast, be fast. Okay, he's older than you. Amy says 120 ml. Okay, okay, I will definitely give. So guys, here you have to calculate the volume, and M is saying 120 ml. What others are saying, guys? Now KMnO4 will react with H2S in acidic medium. So guys, I know that KMnO4, when it will be reacting with H2S, it is oxidizing agent. So H2S is being converted into SO2, and because it is acidic medium, so KMnO4 will go from +7 to +2. So n factor of KMnO4 will be 5. So n factor for this will be 5, and you have to calculate the n factor for this. So this sulfur is -2 and this is +4. So there is net loss of 6 electron, 6, 6, 1. So guys, here we will be having n factor of 6, and I will be getting it as this is n factor 5, this is n factor 6, -2 to +4. So 1 5 into mole of KMnO4, and it will be 6 into mole of H2S. There are no tricks for IIT. There can be tips, and using those tips, yes, you can catalyze your preparation. You can do some means you can utilize your time, but there are no tricks, right? The only way to crack IIT JEE is just do hard work and don't look for shortcuts. Shortcuts will definitely come, but when you have depth understanding of each and every concept, then you will be able to apply shortcuts. Okay, Choranta. Yes, now do it. Do it, guys. So volume of 0.05 molar came in over 50 ml of zero point 0.1 molar H2S in acidic medium. So guys, here instead of mole, I can write millimole. So millimole will be 5 into M1V1, 6 into M2V2. So molarity of KMnO4 is 0.05 and volume I have to calculate, and this is 50 ml and molarity is 0.1, right? Now just do it, it will be 10 and P1 will be 6 upon 0.05, so it will be 600 upon 5 and you will be getting 120 ml. I hope you got the answer. Yes, Amy, you were right. This time again you were right. And only Amy could give the right answer. Only Amy could give the right answer this time. Okay. So guys, now let's do the next problem. Yes, do it. This is a simple problem, guys. You can do it easily. It's a simple problem. Yes, do it, guys. Be fast. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, guys. Calculate millimole of Fe3O4 if it react completely with 25 ml of zero point 0.3 molar K2Cr2. Be fast. Be fast. I'm not getting any answers. Okay, Mondal, I'm giving you 1 minute. Now I will not speak. Do it now. Fast, fast, Emmy, okay, short sky, Mondal. It should not take so long. Ideally, it should not take. Be fast, guys. Okay, now I'm getting answers 0.44 gram, 10.44 gram. Okay, guys. So now let me solve it now. Calculate millimole. I have not asked the mass. So let's see why you are calculating mass here. If it reacts completely with 25 ml of zero point 0.3 molar this, so the reaction will be K2Cr2O7 Fe3O4. It will be turning into this and it will be going into +3. So guys, n factor of it is 6. I told you in every condition. Now you have to calculate the n factor for Fe3O4. And how will you do that? Yes, for Fe3O4 is going into Fe3 plus, and just balance these three. Here it is +3 and here it is +3. Here it is 8 by 3. So what is the change? What is the change in oxidation state, guys, here? Yes, 8 by 3 into 3 plus 8. 2 plus 9. So there is loss of one electron. So n factor will be 1, 1 by 3 and 1. I hope you got the n factor. Now it is 6 into millimole of K2Cr2O7. 1 into millimole of Fe3O4. Done. So you are getting 6 into millimole of this. You have to calculate. Yes, it is given like molarity into volume you can do. Yes, m into V. And 1 into millimole of Fe3O4. So what is molarity? 25. What is volume here? 0.3. And you have 6. Yes guys, just do it. So how many millimole of Fe3O4 are there? How many millimole? 45. So what is 10.44 here? I hope now you got I hope now you got the answer. Got it guys? Millimole. Yes, in the question millimoles are asked. Why did you calculate the mass? Why did you calculate the mass? Okay, now let's do the next problem guys. Do this one. Calculate concentration, it means molarity. 20 ml of H2O2 react completely with 10 ml of this. Again, KMnO4 is oxidizing agent. Okay. Do it guys. Yes. Now guys, KMnO4 is oxidizing agent and medium is acidic. So what will be the reaction here? You should know that I told you when oxidation of H2O2 takes place, you will get O2, and when reduction takes place, you will get H2O, and N factor is 2 and N factor is 2. In both cases, whether it is being oxidized or whether it is being reduced, in both cases N factor will be 2. Right? Yes, okay, now let me solve it. So when you are writing KMnO4 plus H2O2, because this is acidic medium, I will write Mn2 plus, and in H2O2 I will write O2. So guys, now if I talk about N factor, it will be 5, it will be 2. So 5 into mole of KMnO4, 2 into mole of H2O2. So here you will be getting 5 into 10 into 2 millimole, you can write 2 into molarity into volume. So guys, 5 into 10 into 2, 2 into M2 into what is V? 20. From here you can get the molarity. Yes, what will be the answer? What will be the answer guys? What will be the answer? The answer will be 2.5 molar. The answer will be 2.5 molar. Any doubt, guys? Yes. Please tell me, guys, if you have any doubt. Okay, then. So, if they are asking for volume strength, if they are asking for volume strength, it will be 11.2 into molarity. It will be 11.2 into molarity. So you can write 11.2 into 2.5, but they are just asking the concentration, so you can do this. They're asking for the concentration, so you can do it only. Okay, guys? Any doubt? So volume is given 20 ml. This is we call volume strength. Volume strength. And I told you how to calculate volume strength. I told you this, right? So guys, in the next class, I will be taking many more problems. In the next class, I will be taking many more problems, guys. But this is for today only. So in next class, we will doing much and more practice on these concepts, guys. So after this, I will also tell you what is iodometric, what is iodimetric, each and everything I will be discussing with you guys in the next class. So guys, that's it for now. And if you really like today's lecture, the guys, then don't forget to share it and like it. That's very important. And just click on the bell icon. Mondal, next class I will be taking more questions. Don't worry. At least 10 more questions I will be taking. But in the next class. Okay? Yes. So guys, how you can subscribe to Unacademy? There are some simple steps. Step number one, go to App Store, Play Store, download Unacademy's learning app. Once you have downloaded it, just click on the IDJ box in the goal, right? So hit the subscription button, and guys, once you are hitting the subscription button, you will be getting these options. So now I'm telling you, instead of 38,000, you have to pay 34,000. Guys, remember my code, and this code is Rahul Kaushik. Remember my code, right? But why you are not getting? I upload it. Okay, I will check it after today's class. I will check it. So guys, don't forget it. For 2 years instead of 56,000, you just have to pay 50,000 if you are going, you are using this code. Okay guys, so now this is my code Rahul Kaushik, and just apply it and you will be getting flat discount. And guys, there are many more things which you can enjoy, like there would be live lectures, there would be video, not just live lectures, there would be live quizzes. And guys, every fourth class will be doubt clearing session, and after every class DPP and everything would be given to you. Okay guys, so these are some things which I'm telling you. And guys, if you are going to apply for plus, then use this code. It will be beneficial for you. Okay guys, thank you. Take care of you guys. Bye bye.